Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply vendor credit on bill on QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com, and from here just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to the left panel. Just hover your mouse on expenses, then click on it. Next is just click on the New Transaction drop-down button, then select Vendor Credit. So from the Vendor Credit page, all you have to do is fill in all the details, starting with choosing a vendor. Just choose the specific vendor and also add in the payment date. And in the category details, just fill in the category and description and also the amount and tax if applicable, then also add in the customer. Then once done, just head over and click on save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!